Imagine riding along, enjoying the open road, when suddenly a strange, unsettling sound starts coming from your motorcycle's engine. What is that knocking noise, and should you be worried? That persistent knocking sound from your motorcycle engine is almost always a sign of a serious underlying issue that requires immediate attention. It often indicates problems with combustion, valve train components, or crucial rotating parts within the engine. The primary cause of engine knocking, also known as preignition or detonation, happens when the air-fuel mixture ignites before the spark plug fires, or when the mixture explodes uncontrollably. This occurs due to excessive heat, carbon buildup, or incorrect timing, causing pressure waves that collide with the piston and create that distinctive knock. Another major reason can be an issue with your valve train, where parts like tappets, rockers, or camshaft components become loose or worn, creating distinct tapping or clattering noises. Furthermore, mechanical wear inside the engine can also be a culprit. Worn connecting rod bearings, for example, can cause a heavier, deeper knock that varies with engine speed, while piston slap describes the sound of a piston rocking in its cylinder due to excessive clearance. These issues directly impact the smooth operation and structural integrity of the engine. When you first hear a knocking sound, it is important to first safely pull over and inspect the basics. Check your oil level to ensure it is within the correct range, as low oil pressure can lead to critical component wear. Listen carefully to try and pinpoint the general location of the sound. If the knocking persists or sounds severe, it is best to stop riding immediately to prevent further damage. Understanding terms like preignition and detonation helps you communicate more effectively with a professional mechanic. Preignition involves fuel igniting too early, before the spark, while detonation is an uncontrolled explosion of the remaining fuel-air mixture after the spark, both of which put immense stress on engine components. Recognizing the difference between a light tap, which might indicate a simple valve adjustment, and a heavy knock, which suggests severe internal damage, can save you significant time and money. Addressing engine knocking quickly protects your investment and ensures your safety on the road. By understanding these potential causes and knowing when to seek expert help, you can prevent minor issues from escalating into costly repairs, keeping your motorcycle running smoothly for many more miles.